Hi teacups, welcome back to another video. This time is special because it's the season of love. It's going to be Valentine's on Friday. Some people already have like their Valentines or men in their lives, while some of us do not. And this video is especially for you. There's nothing wrong with spending Valentine alone. Like, you don't have to spend it with anyone. You can spend it with yourself. It's the season of love. You don't need someone to show you love. You can show yourself love, and you could show the people around you love. You could show your mom, your dad, your family, your friends. You could show yourself love. You could read your favorite book. You could take a long out bath. You could rot in bed. You could play with your pets. You could buy yourself chocolate. Cook yourself a wholesome meal. Do anything that makes you feel happy and love. And you should spread love and show love. Love doesn't have to only exist between a man and woman. So have a very fun Valentine where you spread love and do the things you love. Like I'm doing the things I love. Okay, about you doing things you love, I'm going to tell you things I love. One is cleaning my room because I really hate dirty spaces. And the next thing is playing with my dog. He can be annoying, but he's still my first bud. And then playing dress up. For some reason, getting dressed is just like my favorite activity. It brightens my mood. Like going from a normal ass everyday clothes to like a beautiful dress just brightens my mood. It makes me so happy. So if that is you, I feel like you should wear a cute dress and relax in your house like I did, and put on some lipstick, something, do a little bit of makeup. I don't do makeup, or do I? I mean, I just add like lip gloss and I line my lips and I call it a day. If that's you, you should do that too. Like, I want you to pass the mirror and be like, damn girl. Pancakes are like the easiest things to make. I don't know, for me, it takes such a short while and it's so filling. So if you ask to cook, I'm making pancakes. Like, I hope this video inspires you to do the things you love and just be your own Valentine. Have fun, buy yourself gifts, and be loved.